price up, ha ha ha, 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 price up, ha ha ha. Yeah, man. What up, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is the Kenyan Hexagon. We are looking at Peacock. Peacock is such a very interesting meme token under PulseChain. You look at some of the renowned um, content creators about PulseChain are talking about Peacock. Peacock has been driving the market, the PulseChain market or ecosystem for a while right now, and it is trading like it's crazy. It's so some of the meme coins right now are the best performing under PulseChain. As much as PulseChain is down, and I don't know whether we'll be able to see that. We have PulseChain here. Where is PulseChain? Yeah, we have PulseChain, and we don't know whether we'll be able to check it here. This is how it has been trading. Yeah, so just a quick one. Just a quick one. Actually, if you have seen, PulseChain is down 96%, but then you can see now here. This is that is PulseChain. Okay, let's open Peacock. Yeah, that was this is PulseChain, and this is how it is trading. I have just made another video about it. Yeah, but then now we have Peacock, which is now this chart here, and you can see Peacock. It is on the daily time frame. So each candlestick here represents how price has been performing in each day since this asset was launched on PulseChain network. So Peacock is basically a meme coin. A meme token is something that people are talking about so much in the social media, and it is gaining a lot of attention, and then it has been tokenized and put on a blockchain, of course, with other use cases, with other many additional things that people can use. And now, for instance, now we have Peacock. This is how it has been trading since it was launched on Pulse Chain ecosystem. So this is how it has been trading. You can see from this low it is actually up, and that was the difference that I was showing you. Now again, comparing it with now the core tokens, you can see these are more than negative 90% down, but then for Peacock it is actually up 87,683% up. Okay, so that basically means this asset has been trading quite so much. You can see at this period low it had around 0.4032. Actually right now you can see PulseChain has 5 zeros, and then you can see it has been up all this while, and now it is trading at 0.0 only 0.01612 dollars. So that is a big massive trade that actually is making people on PulseChain money. So just don't complain about the bear market where price is going down. Just make sure you look at some of these assets again, which are trading are trading good, and they are bullish. So this is the opposite of a bearish trading. You can see this is very bullish. From this low, price has gone up, and this is the measurement that you are using from this low to this high. Now you can see price has been up all that percent, but then we can come here and now try to measure the right price right now where it is. You can see it is still up 51,192% up. So yeah, that is the first thing that I wanted to talk about on this video. So we are more than 50,000 times up from this low. From maybe any person who bought at these low prices or at this point, these low higher lows. So basically, this is what the market does whenever it is moving up, higher. It makes a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then it keeps on just doing this. And now that is what you usually call a bullish trend, like what I've just drawn. Yeah, and you can see this is what is it has been doing: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, of which now it hasn't broken the previous higher high. So right now it is consolidating, and what we might be looking next for, it's where the price will bounce from this trend line here and break out of the previous resistance, probably retest on it and then keep on going up. So these are scenarios that happen in the market. You can see them in my background here. We have some patterns. So these patterns are just basically things that or patterns that happen in the market on very frequently. And once you see price creating a certain pattern, it means there is how it will behave, and price will keep on going up. So that is what is happening right now. That is what is happening right now, and we are here right now. We are here. I'll say it like I show speed. We are here in Kenya. Okay, we are here in Peacock, and the price is doing all this. So basically, I love putting or leaving the chart this clean. Yeah, I love making these the chart like look very clean. So we are just looking using the horizontals and the trend lines. Yeah, just to indicate the resistance zones. So where price was not able to break out of is a resistance zone. So we are waiting now for price to break out of this resistance zone. Actually, this is a zone. It's just not like one level or one straight line. It's actually a zone. Now you see all this zone. This is a crazy zone where price is waiting to break out. You can see these 2 times here. Price wasn't able to break out of it. Let me highlight. Even for our next video, we'll just refer. So we have that point, we have this point, we have this point almost where price was not able to break, but then around this time it broke out of that zone, retested on it, and kept going up for a while now to make the all-time high. And you can see price hasn't now broken out of this all-time high, and then price was pushed back down to now the resistance zone. Okay, and all this time these are just attempts where price was not able to reach to the previous now to the resistance zone. You can see again it got broken out of, yeah, but it did not break out of the original all-time high. This is the ATH. ATH. Yeah, so that was the point, and you can see right now it is still consolidating around the same area. So this is Peacock again. It is just a meme coin. Once people just discover about it and keep on buying, like we have seen, like people are crazy buying. You can see, actually, no, people are not buying. Right now they have been selling. In the last like some minutes ago, people have been selling. That's why we are seeing it consolidating. Maybe some people are taking profits. That's your profits. Take care about it. But then this is the price that people are selling at, and you can see there's a lot of trading that is happening, and that is what is making us say the price is now consolidating around this point. Now, my major analysis is just to say we are looking now for price to break out of this point, probably retest on it, and then keep on going up. So that is just it's a top analysis. We should do a top down analysis about it on how price is behaving, but then for now we are looking at the price performance in terms of the higher time frames, and now they are going to give us a good a good understanding of what is happening. Yeah, so if you just look in the 4 hours, now this is what is happening. You can see in the 4 hours right now, price is trying to do its best not to close below the trend line, our trend line there, the weekly and the monthly trend line. So this is what is happening. It has been breached a little bit, but then price is showing attempts of going back, and you can see right here it's like it is making a W. So this is one of the candlestick patterns called double bottoms, where we have such a thing. This basically it can happen when the market is moving from up, and then it bounces off at a support zone. So this support zone can be a trend line or just a horizontal line. So yeah, this W like pattern is happening on a trend line, the yellow line. As much as it has been invalidated by candlesticks closing below it, or yeah, just closing below it, it is giving us another analysis it is giving us now the forecast of saying price might now bounce off this area there and then keep on going up, or obeying now the trend line. So yeah, that is a brief small explanation of what is happening. And yeah, these are things that we are waiting to see how they are going to perform so that we can make informed decisions. But either way, if this is part of your research, make sure you do more research about this before you make any any decision. I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure you do your own analysis before you make any decisions about purchasing these assets. Yeah, so the moment you just purchase, that's how we are building you're pumping your own bags. Yeah, so this is what is happening. We'll keep on following just to see how price will keep on behaving uh, after a while, maybe after it is now broken the neckline of the double bottoms. All right. Thank you very much. That was Peacock. See you on the next asset.